could do this change in like 5 minutes. So there's no reason why you couldn't do this and bring a little bit of a refresh to your car, especially if you wanted to add LEDs to your E39. All right, as you can see, it's off. Really easy. I always take this opportunity whenever I have like my taillights out. I always take this opportunity to clean, because this is not a place that you normally would be able to get a towel to or rag to. So, you know, clean anything out of there if you need to. And then this is going to be easier to show here than it will be actually in place, especially on this side because of the navigation and CD changer. It's a little bit tight, but really simple. So now if you're just replacing your lens and replacing this taillight assembly with the exact same OEM, then go ahead and just plug it right back in, put those 4 nuts back on, and fit your light plate back into place, and you're good to go. It really is that simple. This whole project should take you 5 minutes at most. Now, if you're doing this with the LEDs, it'll probably take you 7 minutes. But these, well, if you're using these as exact same LED style replacements, these are going to plug in directly to the same spots where the bulbs go in. Now, I find it easier that if you peel back this rubber cover, so you can get a better grip on this plug, because what you have to do, these plugs, just like the light bulbs, have these little fingers on them that have to go in one orientation. So it's going to have to go into the plug and turn. And I find that I get a better grip on the metal if I pull this rubber back down the wire and then slide it back into place once it's on. Okay, so what you do is fit this into place, and then you're going to feed this back up into its original position and plug in both of these wires directly into where those bulbs go. This is the same one-to-one sort of spots. Really easy, super simple. Like I said, just pull these back, plug these in, and turn, and make sure that they lock into place, so if you pull on them, they don't come back out. And then put those four nuts on, and you're done. So all right, I suspect the camera's not going to catch this well, but as you can see, so the brake lights, which are the lower lights, are bulb still, but they look a lot better with that redesigned lens. The running lights are the LEDs that you can see, and those are on. So it looks really good. So the functionality change in this is going to be a little bit of a lens design change, a little bit of a refresh, and then the running lights are those LEDs. So, and I've got a lot of reflection right now. I really don't feel like the camera's going to do this justice, but I did want to show it to you. So looks good, super simple. All right, so as you can see, all done. It really is that quick and simple. You could do this change in like 5 minutes. So there's no reason why you couldn't do this and bring a little bit of a refresh to your car, especially if you wanted to add LEDs to your E39. So everything you need will be listed in the description below. Go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please click subscribe and the little alarm bell. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I'll see you on my next project.